DepEd, right? So was it hard to go back to DepEd?
I mean, you have to go through the same process as a teacher one applicant. You have to go the same process. However, in the district, if you work there for several years, they already know your performance,
Yeah.
and that could be your edge. So
Mhm.
from only makes the difference. But according to ano nga yun natin yung tayo under ng OFW under tayo ng
Ano,
EVP.
EVP.
Yeah. According to EVP, they have program for J1 visa completers po. And we have that privilege to go back to
Okay.
so I guess again it's our government. It depends on who are there, like really practicing what's in the EVP program or our government is saying. But with my experience, mom, I just went the same process, interviews, file all these papers, same process. But of course, they know you better, so I mean, alam na nila kung paano magtrabaho. They can ask you for a demo or not. So that, with my experience, they ask me, "Do you want to have a demo or not?" I'm like,
Okay.
"Why would I? I have an option to not do so. Why would I?" Right, Ma'am Sha?
Correct. Ma'am, a follow-up question to that. Are you back in the same school or just the same district?
Same district, but it doesn't mean when you apply a diet. No, it's like a division ranking wherever they placed you. It's just
Oh, okay.
fortunate that I was placed in the same district, but there was no special ed item during the time that I was applying back in DepEd. So I am now a kindergarten teacher, but I
Mhm.
have students with exceptionalities under LIS. I just put a hands because I know how to make those data, those collection of. I know how to make the necessary documentations to prove that these students are in an inclusive ed setting. So, given the fact that it's not really established yet because of the materials, resources, school programs for what's that? School improvement plan, SIEP, like that. But myself as a special ed teacher, I know what to do. So I consider myself as an inclusive ed teacher in
Mhm.
kindergarten. But my position is kindergarten teacher. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay. So you're not back in the same school,
I'm not
only same district. Okay.